Hello, in this video I'm going to show you a practical example of Flow Builder that how you can inform the stock that the order can be shipped when the payment is completed. For this we go to settings and then select Flow Builder, and then on the top we select add flow to add a flow. We enter the flow name here, stock info, order can be shipped. Optionally, you can give a description here, and then we set the priority and then activate the flow. For the details, we go to the flow tab and then select the trigger here under state enter, order transaction state, and then select paid. In the next step, we are going to add actions that will take place when this condition is triggered. I click on the add action button. First of all, I choose generate document, which is the delivery note in this case. I click on add action. As the next step, as we are going to inform the stock by email, we select send email. Under email template, I choose an email template that I prepared for this case beforehand, stock information, and then we add the delivery note document as an attachment, so all the necessary information is forwarded to the stock. And lastly, we are going to change the shipping status. For this, I click on the add action button again and then select set status and change the shipping status to shipped, and then action again, and complete the flow. Until the next Flow Builder example, have a nice day.